Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 4 of Sai in My Thoughts. Sai is walking briskly in the village. It is difficult to the villagers to walk in his pace, so they are almost running to follow him. Children are also running behind him. Sai is walking as if he knows every corner of the street. Sai, we are happy that you are coming to our village. Please tell us where you want to live so that we can arrange your accommodation accordingly. They asked. One of the villagers asked, Sai, who is your father? Which religion do you belong to? Sai frowned angrily. His eyes became red. What is the meaning of religion? Sai asked. Oh, you want to know my religion? Sai laughed. Before that, you have to tell me the meaning of religion. Sai looked straight into their eyes. The people are silent. There is no answer from anyone. Everyone froze like statues. But they don't want to leave that place, and when Sai started to walk, they followed. Suddenly, Sai stopped in front of a neem tree. He bowed down on his knees. All are surprised to see him praying to a neem tree. What is there in the tree? Someone questioned him in curiosity. It is my Guru's place, Sai replied in delight, his face shining like the sun. Your Guru? Where is he? Sai burst out laughing. He laughed so hard that tears came out of his eyes. For your vision, he is invisible, but my Guru stays in my heart. Then what is there in the tree? They asked. People are confused. They murmured, we can't see anything there. Sai slowly and sweetly answered, these eyes are created by God to see the outer world. But everyone has an inner vision. If you constantly concentrate to see your Guru with that eye, you surely feel him in your heart. Try to look inside you. It means always invoke your Guru in your chitt. There is total silence. The innocent villagers felt it difficult to understand Sai's words, but there is something in that words that undoubtedly attracted them. They felt some instinct emerging from their deep inner sense and pushing them to salute to the great man standing in front of them. That is the presence of a real Sadguru, one who can change your thinking towards the right direction to get enlightenment. Meanwhile, Mahalsapati said, respect Sai's words. This is his Gurusthan. Then everyone folded their hands and bowed down. We are blessed with good days ahead. We are very fortunate. Our Guru came on his own to teach us. The villagers felt. He who understands God has no religion. He who realizes soul realizes God. He who is Sadguru smashes the difference between him and you. Surrender to him. Om Sai Ram. Every Thursday, I will post one chapter from my book, Sai in My Thoughts. Please watch. Thank you.